Now, before you start writing, or before a child starts writing, I know in term 1 you've been seeing lots of sounds, soundboard, pictures, and now, if you've not started mentioning maybe the formation, the vocabularies, how many of you have heard a cow, up and down? Not yet. You have. If you've not yet, be sure you're going to hear lots and lots of such vocabularies. So pre-writing skills, these are fundamental skills that a child has to acquire before they start writing. There are lots of activities. When you look at the table, there are lots and lots of set activities that we make sure our learners tackle or experience before we introduce them to writing. So let them try and write the sound, and then maybe they might reverse it, then try and write it properly. Tell them, oh, look at this, what sound do you think this is? At least let him or her attempt, and then show him the correct sound.